In April 2007, Money Sense magazine indicated that Canadians are far better savers than our U.S. counterparts. We only spend 120% of our disposable income. According to Statistics Canada, Canadians are now spending over 182% of their disposable income. One of the reasons for this increase over the years was attractive low interest rate lines of credit. A line of credit is a bank's version of a low interest rate credit card with a large credit limit. There are certain pitfalls that consumers should be aware of when considering to purchase their next vehicle using a line of credit. Here are some of them. The interest rates on lines of credit are variable and based on the prime lending rate. With increases in future interest rates unpredictable, securing an auto loan with a fixed interest rate is advisable. Some lines of credit require a minimum principal amount of up to 3% of the balance to be paid monthly along with the interest charges. Most people never read the repayment conditions found on the back of their credit line agreement in fine print and put themselves in harm's way. For example, a $40,000 balance on a credit line with a 3% principal payment obligation will cost the consumer $1,200 per month plus interest, which is far greater than a regular vehicle loan would be. Many lines of credit also carry usage charges, just like the ATM charges that banks are authorized to charge. These charges can easily outweigh any savings that a credit line's low interest will offer. Some lines of credit offer consumers to make interest-only payments on their accounts. The tendency here is to perpetuate the outstanding balance, allowing the bank to earn more interest from these accounts because they never get paid down. Because of the unmonitored use of the bank's funds, a line of credit tends to become revolving credit. An account gets paid down, but then other future purchases are added to the balance. It's easy to lose sight when and if a vehicle purchased with a line of credit ever gets paid off. A report from a chartered bank revealed that it took consumers on average 13.6 years to have their credit line balance return to a level it was before they used it to purchase a vehicle. If the conditions of a line of credit are not adhered to, the interest rate in some cases can jump to as much as twice the current rate. A line of credit is a demand note that can be called within 30 days of notice. If a client was having trouble managing their line of credit or the maximum credit limit had been reached, the lending institution can call the note in and will likely offer the client a consolidation loan with a fixed term and a much higher fixed interest rate. If a line of credit was secured with a home, the financial institution will likely offer the homeowner a new mortgage and consolidate the outstanding credit line balance with the remaining balance of the mortgage. The consolidated balance is then amortized over a new period, in essence having the homeowner to start paying interest on the original mortgage amount all over again. This can be nasty business. Lines of credit were initially created for life's opportunities or emergencies. Using the privilege to purchase a vehicle with a line of credit is a poor utilization of credit and may not be in the consumer's best interest. Financial advisors recommend that consumers should leave their line of credit intact for life's opportunities or emergencies and take advantage of dealer plan loans that are available through a dealership's financial services office. These loans are completely open agreements offering fixed interest rates, with most of them set up with a Canadian chartered bank. Interest is only charged on the remaining monthly balance, and you can pay into them at any time without any penalties. The interest rates are lower than regular bank rates, and you can have your payments come out of your account any day of the month. This can be arranged at a dealership with a financial services manager for your convenience. A dealer plan loan provides consumers with a get-out-of-debt solution for their next vehicle purchase. Some consumers are attracted to using their line of credit for a vehicle because of the privilege of paying interest only on any given month. That is precisely the trap. Each month that a consumer only pays the interest charge means that it'll take them another month to pay off that amount that was used for the vehicle purchase. If you do find yourself short on any given month, you can always dip into your line of credit for a small amount to make up the shortfall of your vehicle payments, thus paying off your vehicle purchase in a timely fashion without raking up your credit line on the Never Never plan. Most dealer plan solutions will also allow you to pay bi-weekly, which is far more convenient than the monthly repayment obligation with a line of credit. Most people get paid that way, which allows for easier budgeting. Ask the dealership's financial services manager how affordable a dealer plan arrangement can be for you.